got the dash cover off for the most part, but I've been having issue with a lot of crap that I've been kicking out. Been having issues with the actual dash itself. Say hi to breakfast, guys. Hey, eat breakfast. It's been sitting there for like the last hour or two. Gone through all the bolts, man. I've gotten underneath there. I can't get the blower box out and everything until I get the actual crash bar out of the way. And I've gone through everything. There's 2 bolts out on the top that I pulled out. I got underneath it. There were some bolts down there. It's somewhat loose, but still feels like it's pretty fucking sturdy, man. I truthfully don't know where, because all these bolts are already taken out. There's one that goes straight back there. That's back here. It doesn't get pulled out because of the glass, but it comes out all the way. I just don't know where the fuck to go. Got this car mess. This is all interior parts. Breakfast. Center console piece, whatever. I'm gonna keep a lot of the small stuff, like shifter's gonna go, all this shit underneath there, all that crap's gonna go. A lot of shit that's gonna get pulled out of here. And then let's go breakfast. Come on. Let's go. Alright, she'll make a reminder. Let's go, come on. Yeah, I can't see anything that I would need, but yeah, this hole right here is gonna get covered up. That's where the air box is back there. All that shit's coming to come out. A little beat up right now, so I'm gonna take a little bit of a break, drink some water and shit, maybe get something to eat, and I guess I'll be back to you guys in a little bit. I'm watching my dad, or my son, not this guy. Where is he? Where is he? Jimmy Oaks. Where's Jimmy?
That's how you know.
There's Jimmy.
Facts by Donald.
That's true.
What you got there?
Come on, Jimmy. Where's Jimmy? There's Jimmy. Look at that handsome boy.
He always wears his broken pants. You got pants, babe. I don't know what you're talking about.
Alright, guys. Alright, you cool cats and kittens. Holy shit, that thing is bright as fuck. These guys are fucking arguing about pants and shit. Over here trying to lead a successful YouTube career. So, Ray came and waved his magical fucking wand. And fucking, we were able to pull all this shit. Basically, I was missing a bolt there, and just some little tiny little bolts behind the dash. We were able to get all this bullshit out. We're gonna go through the whole fucking firewall, take as much shit as we need off of it. I gotta order a new fucking pedal for the Holly, because the Holly takes a different pedal. Gonna get rid of all this bullshit. Most of this shit, I broke a lot of the fucking trim on this. I don't give a fuck. There's like a bajillion guys partying out of G8. Should buy some more shit. There's some shit over there. So, walk around. Started mocking up shit for the fuel tank. We saw that earlier. Gaga radio. Alright. Here's the fucking meat and potatoes of all the AC bullshit. All this shit's coming off. Alright. I don't know if we're going to record tomorrow. We're going to be hunting. Tomorrow's Thanksgiving, so we'll get back to you guys. I'm going to let you know what the next steps are, boys. Alright, be easy. Don't be sleazy. Or be sleazy. Who gives a shit?
The next day.
On last week's episode of Dragon Ball Z.
A few moments later.
Alright, let's try this again, because the camera just fucking died. On last week's episode of Dragon Ball Z. Or whatever. Pull a lot of this bullshit out. A lot of this shit's out. Getting ready to move the cars because we got a little project going on. Apart from all the other bullshit that we have going on. Well, you see the golf cart, we got that. We got the lawnmower, doesn't lawnmower anymore. Ray has a little side gig. He makes a little side gig, and it involves this trailer and a whole hella lot of freedom, baby. We got 4 motors underneath here. We're gonna pick them up north, brought them down. They're all 5.3s. There's 1.48. Shut up, kid. Shut up, kid. I'm kidding. Come here, I love you. Okay. All right, so they're all 5.3s except one is a 4.8. He's gonna end up keeping the 4.8 and putting it in his white truck. That white truck with he built the turbo kit on and everything. He's gonna end up putting it in there. So we're gonna move all this shit out of the way because we're gonna rearrange a lot of the stuff. We're gonna put the motors along here. We'll clean all this shit out of the way. And yeah, I might put you guys on the time lapse just to kind of get some filler. I don't know if you guys even want to watch this shit. Leave a like if you do. Comment that comment something dumb about me if you know who I am. Comment a memory you have about me or me or Ray or something. I don't know, something silly. It helps the algorithm supposedly. People comment and shit. So yeah. Well, I'll be back in a little bit. Thanksgiving Day. I don't know if I told you this. We moved all those engines that were on the trailer. Put them all over here, all lined up. This is one of the motors I was up there. This is gonna get cleaned up. It's real freaking dirty. This is gonna get cleaned up. It's probably gonna go back into or this is gonna go into the white truck over there. Got 4060, and the power glide. This one's getting rebuilt. This is getting cleaned up and put in the white truck. What else? We moved a lot of shit around. Just kidding. Put a new battery in it. So what are you doing there, Ray? Oh, let me clean this. What are you doing here, Ray? Come on, the people want to see you. They want to know what you're doing. I know what you're doing with your life.
Having fun. This is the 4.8 that I bought. This is one of the motors I bought. It was the dirtiest one. Well, actually, really, it was the only real dirty one. To be honest with you, out of a lot of them.
Yeah, one's a Jasper motor. Another one looks like it was out of a...
That one has 48,000 miles of Jasper motor. The second one is a core. The third one has, I think, 140 some change, and the last one over has 138.
So they're all fairly good low miles.
This one was low miles too. It's just it came out of a truck. It was, as you can see, really dirty.
Oh, look at this shit.
So, but overall, it was a good running motor. It came out of a running truck. So I'm just gonna tear it down. The bare block, hone it, paint it, gab it. I got some studs and some head gaskets I'm gonna put on. I also got some Gen 4 rods, but I don't know if I'm gonna go that far. I just might save the rods for the
Mustang.
The next project, yeah, the Mustang. Which I'm probably gonna build that 5.3 for the Mustang. So yeah, I'm just gonna have some fun.
Dirty.
It is dirty. But
Dirty. Nothing a little machine shop, razor blade machine shop, and pressure washer won't do.
highly action. We do highly action.
We are Hialeah boys in Georgia.
Yep.
In Georgia.
I'm gonna make some power, boys. But yeah, for the meantime, I'm just gonna clean it up. Throw the long tube headers I have and the exhaust on the truck, and just daily it. And then eventually I'll just throw the turbo kit that I already built for the Mustang on. I mean the turbo kit I built for the truck.
These are garbage. I'm just fucking tossing these.
No, I keep them because
You never know.
no, because if one of those has like a broken one, I'll just change it with a good one. I toss away the broken one. Shit, I have a whole bucket full of these.
No, I seen it.
Never need wires. Hit me up. I'm your man. But yeah, just some cleaning.
This thing is so dirty. So dirty.
Check back in tomorrow and it won't be so dirty. That'll be perfect.
On this episode of Ray's Garage. Richie's coming tomorrow. So, I mean, I don't know if we'll roll it into another video or something. He's going to be editing all this stuff, so I don't freaking know. He'll be coming tomorrow. We'll probably be doing some stupid stuff. Probably go hunting on Saturday. Because he's going to get here too late on Friday.
Well, you said the noon, so we could go hunting in the evening.
Yeah, we could. We didn't catch shit today. Or didn't shoot shit today.
He's scared.
I scared two of them. I was walking up. I forgot where the hell the blind was. And I took the wrong route.
They're like, damn, that's one ugly motherfucker, run.
Yeah, they saw my face and they're like, shit, run. And yeah.
That's for all the shit they give me about spending all day in a stand and not catching shit.
I mean, truth be told, he'd be like, yeah, I'm gonna go hunting tomorrow. And then we're like, damn, where's Ray at? He's probably killing deers out there. Probably got like a tactical nuke. Nope, he's in bed, sleeping. He never went. Well, we got the fleet out here. Look, we got this is the John Deere 757. And then we got a Cub Cadet. This one doesn't actually run right now. The whole bottom deck is rusted through, so we're just gonna take it off and make this like a little tugboat for the shop. And then we got a Carter golf cart that we're rebuilding, basically rebuilding the whole carb and all the electrical system. Probably put some new seats in there. Be a fun thing for Mason to drive around. All right, guys. I mean, this is just filler. Honestly, this whole thing has been filler. If you guys have made it this far, I appreciate you. This is just fun for us, and probably just filler for you guys in your day-to-day crab lives like ours. Enjoy the day. If anything exciting happens, we'll get back to you. Peace.